Hello guys, what's up? Do you know all superheroes? If you know all superheroes, this video only for you. Today I am going to show you superheroes character as remote control car version. A remote control car is defined as any vehicle that is teleoperated by a means that does not restrict its motion with an origin external to the device. It is often a radio control device, a cable between the controller and the vehicle, or an infrared controller. Remote control cars have various scientific uses including operating in hazardous environments, working in the deep ocean and space exploration. Cars are powered by various sources. Electric models are powered by small but power electric motors and rechargeable nickel metal hydride or lithium polymer cells. Which is your favorite character? Please comment below. Let's start the superheroes as remote control car version video.
Yeah.